Let me show you how we used email marketing to make a brand an extra $30,000 in revenue. Let me show you really quickly what we were doing. They were spending about $5,000 in Google, $10,000 on social, and another $20,000 on podcast ads. Google sent about 833 people to the website, social about 20,000, and podcasts about another 8,000 people. So total about 28,433 people to the website. The website had a 2% conversion rate. That's 568 sales at $79 a product. That's about 44,872 in revenue. Here's where email marketing completely changes things. This product is in the health and wellness space, so we knew we had to educate the user on the benefits of the product. So we put together a series of articles as well as an ebook demonstrating the results that the product will give them. 8% of the 28,000 people hitting the website subscribe for the emails. So that's 2,274 emails. Over time, 17% of them converted into sales. So that's an extra 386 sales at $79. That's an additional $30,000 in revenue, which brings the revenue associated with this month to $75,366. One thing to note, not all of those people who subscribed converted into an actual sale that month. Some of them took a few months to convert. However, you could tie that sale directly back to the ad spend for that month because that's what generated the email sign up. Email marketing is one of the most profitable investments for many businesses, but it's often overlooked and it's money left on the table.